Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to number 2 over 3 tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 4 over 9 tan t square. Number 9 we cancel. Number 4 we can do about factorization. 1 plus tan t square we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2 over 3 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one gone here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 4 over 9 tan t square. So number 9 we cancel. So number 4 and number 4 we can do about factorization. So 1 plus tan t square we change by secant of t square, and later that we have this one divided by this one, and we have 1 over 6, and this one we have t over 6, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by 2 over 3. And now we have t equal to arctan of 3s over 2. So I will put this one to change for t. That is the end. Thank you for watching.